This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Creyaufmiller. Own your piece of paradise. Perfect view of the 8th green, 9th tee. Fully furnished, 2-2, perfect to escape cold winters in the premier golf community in Fort Pierce. Enjoy your morning coffee from the comfort of your screen porch. Brand new stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, guest bath redone, newer hot water heater and washer dryer. Assessments include cable and community pool. Great community dogs 35 pounds or less welcome. Membership in golf club not required, but offered. Wonderful clubhouse that serves lunch daily and dinner on Friday evenings. All association docs available online at www.gatortracemasterAssociation.com for more information. Review the details below.